Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to fake your files and folder into self-extracting package. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, you need to open a web browser and log into this website. It is installfakebuilder.com. So this is a packet builder software which create a package of your files and folder into a single self-extracting package. So after login to this website, click on free download to download this software and install it into your computer. And after you have installed this software into your computer, now run it. Now this will prompt you to select the versions of the software. This software is available for two versions, that is free versions and pro versions. To use the pro versions, you need to purchase this software. So here I am using a free editions with unlimited pieces. So click here, use free editions. Now click on new package, select standard package and click continue. Here you need to provide name of the package, and here you can provide your details of the website and name of the company. You can insert here, and on the second options, manage file to compress. Now from this windows you can add your files and folder which you would like to create a single package. You can select a multiple files or documents. So here I am selecting this video files, image file and documents file, and click open. Now click on close. Now click on the third option, set main destination folder. Now here you don't need to do anything, so leave it as it is. Now click on fourth options. Here you can select the interface. You can select provide the watermark. Also you can select the label text, or you can select the interface as standard interface. And in the fifth options, modify welcome screen, click on these options, and here you can provide the text to be displayed when you run this package. Your welcome screen will be displayed. You can to add a welcome screen message, click on edit options, and here you can type your welcome message, or you can select from the template. Now go to down again, scroll down your mouse and click on build. Under the build options, click on exe output configurations. Here select the folder where you want to save your package. So here I have selected desktop to save my package. Now provide here file name. So here I am giving a demo. Now you can select exe format. You can select either of these two, 32-bit, or you can also select 64-bit. After all is done, then click on compile. So after compilation is done, click on close this program. You can see in the desktop a file name with demo is created. So this is the file with the multiple documents which I have created with this Packet Builder application. So this contains multiple files and folder inside this package. So now to extract this package, just double click or run this program. You can see here welcome screen. Click on continue, and here by default it is documents is selected as a destination folder to extract all files and folder, or you can select different location. So here I'm selecting desktop and click OK. So you can see here all files and folder under this demo package is extracted into my desktop by simply clicking on running this application. So in this way you can easily create a self-extracting package in Windows computer by using this software. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.